Given its name in 1793, Ancaster is one of the oldest towns in Ontario, founded by a few settler families, and quickly started to grow. By the 1950s, the town had experienced major development, including several new roads lined with bungalows and farmhouses to accommodate the growth. Now, with a population of over 33,000 and considered to be one of the fastest growing towns in the area, those bungalows and farmhouses are being bought, demolished, and replaced with cookie-cutter subdivisions. This is one of the last bungalows that remains on this road today. Starting this one off in the basement, it already looks pretty retro, has wood panel walls, and it looks pretty interesting. Let's get at it. Everywhere I've seen down here so far, it's all the wood paneling. A lot of dust and decay on that. Oh, we have a nice, decent fireplace here. Is it a speaker cover? It might be, but it looks like just a piece of fabric. Looks like they had a second fireplace right there. Oh, and there's still a lounge couch right here. Oh, okay. In the basement bar. So they had the lounge and bar down here with the fireplace. Very decent. Nothing too fancy, but pretty retro. They had a sub pump behind the bar. That's kind of interesting. And the glass shelves. Would have been not too bad of a little rec room bar area. Speakers in the wall. So I'm gonna guess that that's what that is as well with the cover. See if we can get on the other side and have a look. Oh, look at the retro light fixtures. And a big metal door that's very out of place. Oh, face full of spider webs. Oh. Moldy box. Okay, and they have this covered. But there is the speaker wire, so yeah, it was speaker. Let's find out what this door is. Oh, a lot of nasty spider webs. Ew. Very rotting away cabinets. See how far I can go in here without getting covered in spider webs. Ew. Look at that. And centipedes. All stuck in the spider web. Ew. I'm out. Not doing that. I'm not having one of those on my head. If I don't already. Ew. Seeing some mold. This place is in pretty good shape. An old meat grinder for making hamburger. Not bad. Oh, a lot more mold on this door. Does have the glass doorknob. Wow, this basement just goes on and on. This looks like maybe it would have been a bedroom. With the furnace and everything. What is this thing in the wall? Is this a safe? It is. It's a little wall safe. Empty. That is pretty cool. Little walkway there. Oh, this is out into the garage. Looks like a decently sized one. Empty. Yeah, nothing left in behind in here. Gonna find a way to the second floor. What is this? Those are grocery bags, produce bags. A roll of it. All right. Now, if you're hearing creaking or anything in the window, it's in the audio. It's a very, very windy day. Very cold and windy. Another one of those cool light fixtures. I like those for a retro style. Okay, here's the way to the second floor. Comes up into the kitchen, and of course it's wood panel as well. Still a pot left in there. Is the water still on? No, the tap's been left open and it's dripping. It's probably so pipes don't burst or something like that. Very retro chandelier in the dining room. Plain white walls. How exciting. A lot of spider webs in here too. It's the front door. Here in the hallway, probably to the bedrooms and the bathroom. Looks like it would have been a small bedroom in here. An old picture on the wall there. August 1988. Imagine this is just a closet. Yep. Okay, the bathroom, the mirror is taken. But other than that, it looks pretty intact. Still even a towel hanging up. Another medium-sized bedroom. You can see the marks in the carpet from the bed frame. Closet. Very difficult to open. Still some linen up there. Interesting. I'm gonna try to get those closed. Another bedroom. You can see the marks in the floor again from the bed frame. And there's a nightlight. I think that's still on. Yeah, it is. So there must still be power in here. Yes, there is. But we're in a residential area. A lot of houses around. I'm not going to turn the power on. That's crazy that there is. This house is going to be demolished very soon. It looks like the door chime. Alright, I think we have made our way through. It's very cool to see the old retro features. I enjoyed the bar. I thought that would have been very nice in its day. Let me know what you all think if you saw anything that I missed. And as always, see you on the next adventure.